Up guys, welcome back to another banger. It's your boy the real Alex Josh. Today now, what are we going to do today?
Take out the motor today. Strap, rebuild.
Strap everything is gone out.
Yes sir.
Right?
Yes sir. Yes sir. So the intake is already taken off. Yeah. Yes sir. Is hard bizar in eh? Wat is jullie lekker nog verkennen? Verkennen. Wat is jullie lekker nog?
Feel it good? Alright.
All the progress. Okay guys. Yes sir.
Word of the day. Ajenyo iya bakkie kare make. Alpha Pofin Pang's Customs straight from Riverside.
Yes sir.
Coffee.
We are on the way to buy the parts now. Dropping tomorrow the part 2. Stay tuned and like the video and share. Thank you. Subscribe also. Peace.